So, let's discuss the framework for network design decision. The goal when designing a supply chain network is to maximize the firm's profit while satisfying customer need in terms of demand and responsiveness. To cater this, we will study a framework which helps to design global supply chain. This framework is from famous book of Supply Chain Management by Sunil Chopra, Peter Bandel, and Dharamveer Kalra. This framework has 4 phases. Phase 1. Define a supply chain strategy or design. The objective of first phase of network design is to identify a firm's broad supply chain design. In the first phase of supply chain network management, firms decide how their supply chain will work, including which function will be done in-house or which are outsourced. This starts by identifying what customers want and what the supply chain needs to do to make them happy. Managers also look at what the competition is doing, how much money is available, and how the company plans to grow. Based on these factors, they determine the broad supply chain network design for the firm. This phase sets the foundation for the optimizing the supply chain network in phase 2. Phase 2. Define the regional facility configuration. The objective of the second phase of network design is to identify region where facility will be located, their potential roles, and their approximate capacity. To achieve this, we will be using the capacited plant location model. This will help us to identify the lowest cost for the supply chain network. So let's go to the Excel and formulate the problem with the solution.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.